Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign up to Pinterest. So first of all, launch your Pinterest app. Now tap on sign up. In here, enter your email address and then tap on next. Now create a password for your Pinterest account and then tap on next. Now choose your birth date. Now you can see your username for Pinterest has been created. If you would like to change this to something, then you can simply rename it or else tap on update and then tap on next. Now select your gender and then choose the country you live in. Then tap on next. Now customize your Pinterest home feed by selecting the topics you are most interested on and then tap on meet your home feed. So this is how you sign up to your Pinterest account. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.